Welcome to Email Blaster Analytics. In this video, we're going to take a look at subscriber spend tracking. If you have enabled Insight ROI tracking, when someone makes a purchase on your website generated directly by this email campaign, here you will see a summary of the income generated. From here, we can see that a total of £379 was generated on your website from this campaign, with an average spend of £75. Below here, we can see the leaderboard of purchases made. These are grouped together by product name, so we can see that £299 was generated from sales of our navy lace-up trainer. To view these, we can just mouse over and click on the tile. For a complete list of every sale generated by this campaign, we just need to click on View All. And finally, down the bottom here, we have the abandoned basket value. These are items that users added to their shopping basket on your website but never completed the purchase. So perhaps you could follow these up with a targeted email. We can view these by clicking on the button here. Okay, and that's a quick look at understanding your subscriber spending. See you in the next one.